Behind me is the majestic Mayon volcano. That is the majestic Mayon volcano. This place is called Embarcadero here at Legazpi, Bicol, Philippines. The last time I was here like 13 years ago. I was still working at the rig sa drilling. Very beautiful. Usually that volcano is covered by clouds, but now it can be seen. Okay, I'll continue to walk. I'm still here sa Embarcadero. So this is still a part of Embarcadero. Look at this place. Diba? Ang ganda. Beautiful. So it is still 6:21 pero it's hot na, mainit na. But look at this place. This is at Legazpi City, Bicol. Kaya may boat doon. Natakpan na yung nandun yung Mayon eh. So a lot of people here are exercising and biking. So you can see people there walking. Kanina may nakasalubong ang mga nagbabike. Wow, di ba? So dito masarap mag-walking. Okay, nandito yung Philippine National Police. Yeah. Okay. Look at that. Look at the sun. I'll continue walking.